was too many couples there. It was too crowded. I felt like I was invading every girl's man's space. And then they was looking at me and it was just too much, you know?
Never sounded so good to me.
This was weird, you didn't like see? I know, I'm filming, but I'm not looking.
Your birthday was over here.
Oh yeah.
All right, try to breathe. 1.
I don't like the spice right now.
All right.
I'm nervous now. Okay, so y'all, I drank. We have the little, y'all can read. Anyway, so this is it. The little condom. Clearly, I'm not good at this. Wait, did I do this the right way? Oh yeah, I did. And there you go. And a big fat ass. Yay!
Because this is all we are. Come on.
What you are experiencing right now is the greatest day that has ever lived.
Are you like this? Hey retro babes, look at my hair, y'all. I have been through so much over the past month. I think it's funny because like all of my favorite vloggers, Talitha Jane, Will on the Whim, Ken Choi, they all freaking took a month off, and I was one of those fellow people. I think we just all have been collectively going through something through filming and stuff. Mercury retrogrades here. I think energetically, I can't speak for them, but I just believe energetically we're all going through a shift, and I definitely went through a shift, which I would love to speak with you guys more. But I did want to announce that I, as an artist, love my art. And I finally learned the worth of my art. And I think my art and my artistry is worth more than pumping out project after project after project. So at this point, I think I need to live more and art less and let the art come through living. You know what I mean? And so I feel like I love the vlogs I did. I think I'm gonna look back at these vlogs and have the most dearest memories. And also these vlogs, I think I said in a vlog before that I wanted to document my journey to becoming an artist, and I think these vlogs are perfect, and they have been my journey to becoming an artist. If you watch the vlogs in chronological, that's a tough word for Elmo, order, I think you see a lot of self-discovery in them, and I just think that's so beautiful. But I think that journey's over and a new journey is emerging. So I'm excited for season 2 of the vlogs. I don't know when they're gonna come, but I hope soon. Because, you know, we're near a new era. We're in a new identity. And that's gonna start with my hair. So I am gonna dye my hair today. I've been wanting to dye my hair for forever. I didn't know what I wanted to do, but then I saw this YouTuber who did like a star pattern in her hair. And I think I'm gonna copy that, but just instead of black on the bottom, do like a color and then a lighter color on top and see how I like that. I'm so excited to look new, feel new. I do feel like a new person. And you guys, my Depop shop is doing so well. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy with how well my Depop shop is doing. You guys can check that out. Please check out my prints by my prints. They're so worth it, and I'm done like trying to force people to see that I'm worth being seen, whether it's YouTube, my art, my prints, my Depop. Once I finally let go and was like, you know, I am worthy, I am the goddess I think I am. I am that girl. No matter if I feel like it in this moment or not, a good day, bad day, $0 in my bank account, $5 million, I am that girl. And I just feel like even this video right now, I'm gonna look back at and smile. So I'm not doing one of those videos where I'm saying goodbye, because I'm definitely still gonna be posting, but just see you in the next chapter, basically is what I'm saying. See you in the next chapter.